For many, the ultimate real estate milestone is acquiring a coastal sanctuary on the Mediterranean. But the reality of creating that sanctuary from scratch involves navigating international supply chains, vetting local contractors, and enduring months of renovation delays. That logistical friction actively works against the primary reason people buy a holiday home in the first place: the ability to immediately decompress. At the top end of the market, a buyer's most constrained asset is usually time. Because of that, the true premium in modern luxury real estate lies in the total elimination of logistical friction. This demand has elevated the key-ready asset class, properties where you can close the deal, turn the lock, and immediately start living. Which brings us to reference 630743, located on the Frontline beach of Marbella's prestigious Puerto Banús. It is a fully renovated unit offering 165 total square meters, with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, situated directly on the water. The asking price is exactly 1.95 million euros. To understand that figure, we have to examine the specific design, technology, and location choices that justify a nearly 2 million euro valuation. The recent 2025 renovation brings a modernized, boho chic aesthetic to this established luxury build. Bespoke woodwork anchors the space, while integrated carpentry, like the custom media unit, elevates the room into a tailored home. The design relies heavily on natural textures, wicker pendant lamps, light woods, and linen textiles to engineer a highly tactile coastal atmosphere. The spatial strategy across the 140 square meters of interior space prioritizes a seamless flow between the relaxation and dining zones. Selling the home fully furnished with these curated pieces bypasses typical interior design fees and timelines, embedding that aesthetic value straight into the purchase price. Moving into the culinary space, the footprint is massive for an apartment of this size, engineered specifically as a social hub for hosting. It maintains a high-performance baseline with fully integrated premium Siemens appliances. The architectural anchors of the room are the heavy marble-finished island and the matching backsplash. The sterile nature of that high-end utility is immediately softened by organic touches, like the woven bar stools and suspended wooden lighting. A successful modern kitchen at this price point has to accomplish exactly this, disguising industrial-grade cooking utility behind a relaxed, seamless aesthetic. That same aesthetic continuity carries into the private quarters, starting with the master suite's dedicated washroom. The boho chic language translates into a dark floating vanity and soft organic shapes framing the dual mirrors. Even the secondary bathroom maintains the overarching design language, expressed through patterned floor tiles and custom wooden cabinetry. But perhaps the most critical upgrades are the ones you can't see. Beneath these tiles runs a comprehensive underfloor heating system, paired with a brand new air zone climate setup. True luxury in the 2 million euro tier is defined equally by this invisible environmental control and the visible design. Stepping outside to the 25 square meter southwest-oriented terrace, we reach the critical threshold between the home and the sea. The geographic premium here is substantial. The property sits within Ventura del Mar, an established complex designed by renowned architect Melvin Villaroyal. Ownership grants access to spectacular tropical gardens, a recently renovated gym, a sauna, and direct walkout access to San Pedro Playa with 24-hour security. This chart shows the fixed carrying costs required to maintain that lifestyle, breaking down to a 650 euro monthly community fee and an annual property tax of 1,620 euros. Ultimately, that 1.95 million euro price tag secures a curated, perfectly frictionless entry into the Mediterranean lifestyle.